How to merge videos in Inshot. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can merge videos in Inshot. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, go ahead and open up your Inshot, and once you've opened it up, go to video and select up multiple videos that you want to merge. For example, I would like to merge these 3 videos. See, you can see 3 clips has been added. So you can see it automatically has been merged without anything. You can add up a transition if you want for more smoothness. For example, you can find this white box right below the video that has been joined. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can find different transitions available. So when you go ahead and play the video, you can see it has been changed into a transition. So you can also go ahead and merge your video like this. Otherwise, if you want to add more video into your video, into your timeline, you can tap on this plus icon right here and select up a video or photo from your device's gallery medias. And once that is done, you can just export it by tapping on the top right corner export button, this one right here. And when you go ahead and tap on it, it should export the video into your gallery. So that is how you merge videos on Inshot by following up those methods. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.